promised once we got to Orlando, we'd start up Starlink. Stick around. Hello everybody, welcome back to Hamshack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. We are live at Hamcation, a couple days early, but we're here. We're coming out of the dummy load here, and we've got my Starlink dish. Can't really see it, but it's up on top of the camper there. I got the power ran down that front post, and then over here to this power outlet right here. So stick around. Here in just a second, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the app. And if you're interested in purchasing Starlink, they've got some great deals right now. As of this recording, February 2026, you can get a Starlink Mini for $200, a little bit of nothing. And then monthly fee, $50 a month for the Roam 100 plan. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So use the link down in the description if you're interested in buying Starlink. All right, so here we go. I don't have a lot of time left on this SD card, so we're gonna go pretty quick. Get your iPhone out, download the Starlink app. You probably already have. When you download the Starlink app, it's gonna be this little icon right here, the two circles. We're gonna click it, and we're gonna go up here to the little hamburger menu, and you can see my subscription down here. Start setup, mini, confirm. We have a clear view. I have location. Starlink is plugged in. Starlink router has been paired successfully. I'm sorry if you're missing the bottom buttons there. And it looks like my VPN is running, so I need to turn my VPN off. And you can see the VPN down here, disconnecting it. And so it's downloading a software update, and we'll check back on it here in just a minute. All right, so the download finished. Starlink is now going to install its update. We'll be back when it's done. All right, so Starlink is online. I'll put this up here so you can see. You see it does show online. There are some prompts for you to set up your own Wi-Fi connection. You want to check obstructions. You see we're looking pretty good. You see all the satellite. And you can click on line Starlink down here, and it will prompt you on how to turn the Starlink dish. So I've got it on the roof of the camper. Looks like it's getting good signal. Let's do a quick speed test. My truck keeps taking over my Apple CarPlay. So anyway, I did a test successfully a minute ago. I got to go turn that off. And I was getting about 173 down and about 30 up. So pretty good numbers, Remember, if you want Starlink, use my link down in the description. I don't make any money from it, but it does help me on the Starlink bill. So please keep that in mind if you are going to order Starlink. So far, I recommend it. Good job, Elon. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.